Ang aki ko, dahil mo kiminaok.
Silon ang math. Ako nga ni di tatao. Anong ituturo mo
Dahil
sa
ko man
akin?
nasasabutan ang mga basaw na ini, lalo man sa aki kung dahil man nasasabutan. May sarap manggirari ang kaipuang kan mga aki para masinda magpakaokon. Paano na daw kung magaloy pang pandemyang ini, oh, na.
Kumusta man po sa pag-aaral ni Kim ko o ni Alfred?
Minsan, nag-askaso siya kan mga module niya. Sabi ko sa iya, mag-adal siya kay Marayta. Iman sa ng ano niya. Dahil na siyang, ma'am. Iwanan mo ako sa iya, makatapos pang eskwela.
This is the real challenge. How do the teachers make teaching effective and relevant in this time of pandemic when face-to-face interaction has been compromised? A pleasant day to all. I am Judy Bungala, and together with the researchers and documenters Raquel de Mesa and Jose Cano Jr., join us in our incredible journey with a project called Math Enrich Brigade, and witness why this project is considered to be one of the best practices in teaching mathematics that is worth emulating. Discover the one big secret that this project has, and you will be amazed how it has saved, affected, and touched the lives of the learners. This is Tabaco National High School, the largest secondary school in the Bicol region. Supposedly, a school home for 13,132 students and over 500 teaching and non-teaching staff. Out of more than 13,000 student population, 11,433 or 87% are under printed modular distance learning. In PMDL, teacher-student interaction and supervision are very limited. Teachers have received negative feedbacks from parents and learners regarding the new modality, especially in mathematics. Even before pandemic, the school has recorded poor numeracy level. In the basic numeracy skills test conducted in school year 2019 to 2020, 58% of grade 7 in TNHS were enumerate. In this new learning setup, teachers feel that their hearts are not fulfilled, especially when they know that their students learn less or nothing at all, because the physical connection with them is compromised with the restrictions of the pandemic.
So we thought of a project that we think can help struggling students in math cope up and address their difficulties and improve their basic numeracy skills. We call it Math Enrich Brigade, enhancing numeracy through reinforcement and interventions in the communities and homes. This brigade is composed of 21 teacher volunteers who shares the same passion and love for teaching.
Hence, the Math Enrich Brigade was realized with the following objectives. Since it is pandemic, careful deliberation of the implementation process was conducted to attain safe, limited face-to-face sessions. Proper coordination with the community, parents, and learners were secured, including home visitations and distribution of parents' permits. A total of 92 incoming graded students from 2 barangays with grades below 80 in their grade 7 math were the participants. Before the implementation proper, a pretest was given. Students were categorized into 3 based on their pretest scores: enumerate, borderline numerate, and numerate. From the start of the program, 98% are in the level of enumerate and borderline numerate. Each teacher volunteer has 2 groups with 2 to 3 members, meeting each group once a week, which run for 4 weeks. The identified recipients were visited in their homes and were invited to take part in Enrich. They were provided with learner's kit, SIM card, masks, and disinfectant alcohols. The Sangguniang Barangay provided learning areas or spaces for the limited face-to-face sessions.
We have created learning plans and materials that covers the basic operations on whole numbers, fractions and decimal, because from my experience, these are the basic numeracy skills that were oftentimes neglected. How would they be able to progress to a much more complicated mathematical skills in secondary school if they have not mastered the basic ones?
Based from the item analysis in the pre-test, the top 5 master skills were the 4 fundamental operations on whole numbers and addition and subtraction of similar fractions. On the other hand, the least mastered skills were division and multiplication of fractions and decimal numbers, and addition of decimal numbers.
While conducting the pretest, I have observed that these learners were drawing sticks and counting using their fingers. As a solution, I would always start my lesson with mental computation on the 4 fundamental operations. Now, I am happy to share with you that my learners have improved in mental computation with speed and accuracy.
The goal is to increase the numeracy level of the students. Hence, basic mathematics concepts were the focus. Some of the challenges encountered are the short attention and retention span of the learners and inconsistent attendance. With this, teachers conducted one-on-one tutorial with them. There were also reserved teacher volunteers who meet students with missed sessions just to make sure that the program is continuous for them. The given SIM cards and cell phones were utilized to contact the parents and the learners. In the whole month duration of Enrich, we were able to reduce the number of numerate learners by 92% and increase 17.5 times the number of numerates. And from 22% performance level, it went up to 61%. Making them in the level of numerate.
Ang Barangay San Roque dahil po kami naghahabo sa mga proyektong araw kani para sa kabataan. Nag-alokar po kita kay budget para matawan kay magayon na akomodasyon. So mga aki man po sindakan sa mata. Nagtawbaga po kita kay mga may cellphone, may mga health kits. Dakulaw na bagay sa indabuda na at least na-refresh sa mga aki sa indang edukasyon.
So pag-abot baga po nindo sa sa math brigade po ito ma'am. Nagkaigwa siyang ideya ma'am, lalo na sa times ma'am na 2 digits baga po ma'am. Naso igwang garo siyang technique ma'am, naso pa square baga po ito. Tapos garo tig-arugan pa kaayan. Kaya po muyahon niya, kaya kambanggi kay ito ma'am na tigturuan sinda. Sabi niya, muya ko pa ngayon ma'am mag-answer. Nagsusulo naman siya ma'am sa math, pag sa math po ma'am, talagang nagkaigwa naman siyang ideya. So
pumupunta po ako dito kasi gusto ko pong ma-enhance ang skill ko sa math. At sa darating din pong modules, ito ay makakatulong sa aking mga sasagutan.
Math Enrich Brigade is in fact a pilot project of a larger scale and long-term implementation of TNHS numeracy program for incoming grade 7. In a class level, students' numeracy level with math grades below 80 will be assessed. Students with no instructional support based from the modified learners enrollment survey form are the best target for an extension. Those with instructional support at home may be guided by the parents or guardians, plus supplemental materials monitored by the math teacher. Each learner may have an individual progress chart of their basic numeracy level, so the next teacher can provide appropriate attention. There is actually nothing new in what we do in this project, but this one exposed to what extent teachers' love for learners will take them. A teacher's love that is actually the one big secret exposed to this documentary. It exposed their remarkable patience, perseverance, passion, and hard work. What makes this project a success are the enriching hearts of these teachers. Indeed, it takes a village to nurture a child. And remember, we teachers have the most important role of ensuring that no learner is left behind. I am Judy Bungala, and together with the rest of the team, Raquel De Mesa and Jose Cano Jr., our coach and math department head, Efla Desiduals, Principal 4, Elena B. Tasik, PSTS Ronaldo Boliosa, and STS Socorro V. De La Rosa, saying thank you and good day.